welcome to my channel. I'm Lorena KICHIK, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do ceviche. I have this recipe was given to me from my family, and now it's going to be for you. Ceviche, Mexican style. You want to get the shrimp. Either you can have cooked the shrimp, but what I do is get the raw shrimp with the tail on. Take away the tail, cut it in little pieces, put it in 2 cups of lime juice, just like this. So put it in the bowl. So you want to cook it first, and it takes about, I want to say 2 hours to cook in the fridge. That's enough. Then you get 2 cups of cilantro, diced. Okay. Then 1 cup of cucumbers. I should have cut them a little bit smaller, but there it is. And tomatoes, a cup of tomatoes, and a cup of onions. I like the purple onions. Some people like the white ones. And there you go, look, ceviche. And presentation is everything. So you wanna get your chips on a bowl, get your ceviche, and if you wanna top it off with some avocado, you can. And I like to leave this for the end because avocado goes bad really quick. So you don't want to mix the avocado with your ceviche. And that's it. Doesn't that look yummy? I hope you enjoyed it. Till next time, I'm Lorena KICHIK.